Yes people, it's Halloween and welcome to an exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Fear of God 1. I bet you're thinking, Chris, you look like a right tit with that mask on and I can't breathe and it's very hot. Shout out to Kenny for carving the worst pumpkin in the world as well. This is meant to be a Nike swoosh, who would have thought it? Before we get into the box though, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe because it really does help out the channel. I'm going to take this mask off now because I can't breathe. Oh, Jesus. Due to this sneaker's higher price point, you'd expect nothing less but premium materials. The Jerry Lorenzo has gone all out on these. You get a nice little tote with Fear of God branding and a Nike swoosh. I'm not gonna lie, this is my favourite thing about it. I kind of want to spend £300 on this shoe just to get this tote bag. Again, coming with that apricot paper, you then get a load of accessories as well. All of it comes in this like futuristic space age silver. We're talking spare laces, as well as a plethora of toggles. I think we've got 3 different sets. And when you see the shoe itself, these match perfectly, as well as a nice Air Fear of God hang tag. Absolute banger. But the main focal point of this unboxing has to be these bad boys right here. This table's getting a mess as well. I mean, look at the amount of stuff you get. But these sneakers, ooh, absolutely crazy. Come with a nice oatmeal colourway all the way across the upper. This is then coupled with some rope laces and then the signature caging coming on the Air Fear of God 1. When Jerry Lorenzo first come to Nike, he said that he wanted to make his own staple shoe because his gifts were in shape. He can make a nice basketball silhouette that can be used on court as well as on the road. And I'm not gonna lie, these are exceptional. With the translucent midsole and then that full air unit that goes underfoot and is fully visible. Absolutely crazy sneaker. I did say they're going to be retailing at £300, but the materials you get with this premium suede on the toe cap, the breathable mesh, and just the added details like this, well, this very stiff zip because it hasn't been used before. Oh my days. Okay, right, we won't show them the zip because the zip doesn't want to unzip. The premium materials are then coupled with dual branding with Fear of God coming on the midsole, Nike coming on the caging. It's just an exceptional sneaker all the way around. £300 is a lot of money to spend, but I'm not going to lie, these are an absolute banger of a shoe. If you're thinking about copying just to flip, there is resale to them. They're about £400 already, so £100, but that's pre-sale, so you know, you're not going to make that much money on it, but you could make a pretty penny. But as per usual, just wear your goddamn sneakers. They're releasing on November the 2nd, and it's an absolute banger. Exceptionally limited pairs. They'll be releasing at retailers such as Offspring as well as Nike as per usual, but the majority of these will be through the sneakers app or they will be through raffles, so you need to be entering very quickly if you want to be getting a pair of these. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Fear of God 1 Oatmeal, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. And before you go, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because you're an absolute legend. See you very soon. See you.